Power BI and Tableau, two of the most powerful business intelligence tools out there, focusing primarily on the visualization aspect. But which one is the right fit for yourself and for your organization? In this video, we will be talking about the key differences between Tableau and Power BI in terms of ease of use, integration, automation and advanced analytics, pricing, and scalability. Also, if you're thinking about migrating from Tableau or Click to Power BI, towards the end of the video, I will show you how you can make that entire process seamless through expert support from Capitalized Consulting. When choosing the right BI tool, ease of use matters a lot. No one wants to spend months and years learning a BI tool. Power BI is designed for fast adoption, especially for teams already working with Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office 365. Power BI's interface is quite intuitive, making it possible to create informative and interactive dashboards fairly quickly. A lot of people also like the familiar Power Query window in Power BI. Tableau is known for its powerful and highly customizable visualization. While Tableau offers easy drag and drop experience, unlocking its full potential might require a lot of training and expertise. So if you're looking for a solution that is easy to get started with and looks familiar in terms of interface, Power BI might be a great fit. But if you're looking for a solution with highly customizable visualization, Tableau might offer extensive flexibility there. Next, let's talk about integration, because a BI tool is only as good as its ability to integrate with data sources. Power BI integrates natively with Azure, Excel, SharePoint, and Teams, making it a great choice for organizations already leveraging these platforms. Tableau offers a broad range of support across multiple cloud platforms, including Google Analytics, Snowflake, AWS, and Oracle. If your organization works across multiple cloud environments and databases, Tableau might offer extensive connectors, while Power BI is a really strong choice for Microsoft-centric business. Now let's talk about cost, which is one of the major deciding factors when it comes to choosing between BI or ETL tools. Power BI Desktop is free to install. Power BI Pro is $10 per user per month. And you can also buy a premium licenses for a broader set of users in your organization, allowing you to not buy a license for each user per month. Tableau's licenses work a little bit different than Power BI. It's more of a tiered model wherein you're paying for Creator, Viewer, and Explorer. While Tableau offers robust functionality, cost can vary depending upon the number of users and complexity of deployment. When it comes to comparing Tableau and Power BI cost-wise, Power BI is a more cost-effective solution. All right, so what BI tool should you then use? Use Power BI if you're looking for an intuitive tool with fast adoption. Your business already uses Microsoft Excel. You want cost-effective scalability with built-in automation. Tableau is a strong option if you need highly customizable visualization. Your data comes from multiple cloud providers. You're looking for advanced AI models with external integrations. Thinking about transitioning to Power BI, many companies are migrating from Tableau, Click, and other BI platforms to Power BI to take the advantage of cost saving, Microsoft integration, and automation. We specialize in seamlessly migrating your existing report, ensuring no data is lost, improved performance, and full user training. If you're considering a move to Power BI, let's chat.